Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. Now to get started you'll need to power it off, or well, get the boot menu. So let's hold our power key, and once you see your boot menu you want to hold power off. This will then bring up a window, reboot to safe mode. Now quickly going to the message, do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed, and they will be restored when you reboot again. Let's confirm it. And while the device is rebooting, I'm just gonna quickly go a little bit more in depth into this message, meaning of it at least. So starting off, safe mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. So if you have some kind of problem with the system itself, not the actual hardware, you can boot it into safe mode. This will turn off all the applications that you have installed, and only majority of the ones that come pre-installed with the device will function. Because these apps are considered safe. Third-party applications might not, so if they're causing you problems, they should not be able to launch anything or work in any kind of way right now. And let's see if we have any kind of apps to show off here. So we do have right here Wallet, some other apps. Widgets don't work, and that's about all I can find. Now even if you try to open up these apps, it brings up this message, the downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So if you want to get rid of them, you could now just navigate into the settings, apps and notifications, and get rid of them from there if some app is causing you some major problems. And once you're done with this mode, you can then go back to normal one by holding the power key once again, selecting restart. This will reboot the device and go back to normal mode. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.